It's so cold outside. We're moving cars, working in a lot, so so cold outside, man. We got cars around. We gotta clean a lot, so we'll see. Oh yeah, I like these cars, like 4x4. I wanna play with a 4x4. So 4-wheel drive right now. Let's do it. Nobody's backside. Holy shit. Yeah. Fuck. Look at that, baby. Look at that. The thing when you got like a big truck, 4x4, you see like snow like 8 inches around like a couple days ago. Oh, look at that. He's gonna make it. Okay. He's gonna make it. Yeah, 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 yeah. I wanna take it out this Lexus. This is gonna take it out Highlander. Make it. Do it, do it, do it, do it. Yep, yep, yep. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go.
Go forward. Go forward. Come forward. Go. Go back. You made it out. And
Yeah.
one chance. That's the thing. From that, you get those good tires too at part of the hill.
One second. This thing is the box.
Oh, my friend, don't stand behind it. I don't see you.
I know. That's why I'm waving my hand. You want me to clear the snow?
No, don't do anything. I'll do it. Don't worry.
I like this special one. This is a Prius all-wheel drive. So let's check. Yep, easy. Couple seconds, boom. That's a good thing when you got an all-wheel drive car. Even though like SUV or sedan, easy when you got power in 4 wheels. Let's see this Acura. How the all-wheel drive works. There you go. This one has a sport mode and snow mode, so you can take this car out easily.
Go forward. Go forward. Yeah. Go. Go forward. You don't have to push too much gas. Don't push too much gas. Slowly. Go all the way forward. Okay, stop. Now you go steady. Don't push gas too much.
There you go.
Little bit more gas and go. Good job.
There you go. He passed exam.
19 MDX today. Snow like this will never be a problem for you.
Oh yeah. There you go. Yes, count me. Oh boy. We got this guy here.
No, no, watch
Hey, you want me to give you a push from the front? Let me get up in there.
Me and you, Papi. No, wait. Let me do it by the machine. Don't worry. Stay back. Stay back. Stay back.
¿Qué se
Let me
hace?
go forward and reverse. Vincent. I don't have a replacement for you. Don't worry.
Ya lo abrieron ya.
Está prendida ya. Yeah, we almost finished with the cars. We're just waiting for the snowplow guys. They're gonna bring a truck. They're gonna clean all. They're gonna clean around. Look at that Corolla. There you go. There you go. There you go. Yep.